Okay, for those who wonder where the plug was in this chapter, we want to show you. It's right there. It was not underneath the seat precisely. It's there. Same process as the other one. You get the clip, you get the corner, and it's out. I'm gonna be showing you the process for the removal of the rear seat in just a minute in the following chapter. Now you can get out your center console. Okay, we are in the next chapter for the rear seat, and basically what we want to need is a 18 socket for 4 bolts, 2 in the side, those right there. We're gonna need a 15 socket to the joint in the cushions, and we're gonna need a 10 socket to release the back section, and we're gonna use our puller, clip puller, to remove all those guides for the headrest so we can release the back, lean back. I'll show you the process as we go in the following chapter. And remember, right here at EM Upholstery Technology, we are demystifying the installation process for the leather seat kits. So like and subscribe, and don't forget to click in the link if you want to know more about prices, styles, and colors. And all that is by LeatherTeck here at EM Upholstery Technology. Alright guys, this is the process. We have our 10 with a long extension. And again, we are demystifying the installation process right here, and there is a 110 right there. One out. There's 4 of them. Number 2, the other ones you're not gonna be able to see. So there were a total of 4. Now we take the headrest off. And we have this funny tool right here. You can use the clip remover. And basically guys, what you're looking for is to reach underneath here. And you want to find a slightly pin, which is this one right here. You just have to push it in and pry it out so you can release these plastic guys for the headrest. Four. Five and 6. Now there is 3 hooks more or less in this position right here. When you have this bracket, they're holding also the backrest. So you have to release them all at once. not really all at once. What I mean, they have to be released, the three of them together in a way. Because if you release one, which we're gonna do now, that's the one release, it will go back in place, so we need to hold it with something so it doesn't go back. Now I go for number 2. That's number 2. And the third one is in the very end. Okay, once you have them all released, you get your seat belt off, just move it aside and pull it out. So this is your lean back. Now you're gonna get these covers off, just to expose the 215s. Try to keep them right in the right side, left on the left side. It'll save you time to put them back on. Now you got the 15s. And now you go for your 18s. They can be stubborn. The last one is gonna be this one right here. You can use the angle extension for it. My battery got weak. But basically guys, once you take that one off, this one comes off, same for the other side, and that's the removal of your lean back and the cushions on the rear of the Chevy Silverado, in this case the 2023. And we are demystifying the installation process, removal, so you can install easily your leather seat kits. So I'll see you guys in the next chapter. Like and subscribe, click in the link below, inquire. Thank you. And let me know if you need some specifics so I can give you the details.